Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is just a quick market update on the Metazoo market and the macro environment. All right. So as you can see, on 130 point is where I use to track the Crypto Nation first edition boxes. You can see that the latest sales are now reflecting, I guess, 450 plus, closer to 500. So you can see the market is stabilizing and reflecting the dry supply of these boxes. There's only 25,000 of these boxes ever made. So I'd say there's probably a bit over half left sealed in the market. If you check the red ink graded cards, there's around 30. So that doesn't account for, I guess, any red inks are not graded. So maybe you can add another 10 or 15 on top of that, and they'll get you the total supply that's currently in the wild. Moving on to Nightfall. Nightfall, you can see that the price action is tapering off. You don't see a sharp drop off anymore. It is going sideways and consolidating, which is what we want to see. For that price action, that actually builds a support line for the next few sets. So on the October 22nd, if you live in Australia, the Game Centre Campbelltown in Sydney will be hosting a Metazoo event for a tournament for up to 50 players. So head down here if you guys are free. I'll be also making an appearance. So if you don't have the link, hit me up on Metazoo Australia for the details. So collectibles as a whole is tied to the crypto market as well. So this is the chart for the Bitcoin relative to US dollars. So as you can see, if you tie it to the Bollinger Bands, we're at the beginning of the alligator mouth. So during the peak of the pandemic and the peak of the TCG market in 2021, you can see that the price action is actually trending outside the box here. And now we're actually on the bottom here. So if you look back amongst the previous cycles, if we're on around the green level of the moving averages, these are the monthly charts, we're pretty much near the bottom, or actually at the bottom already. So see how the alligator mouth ends here, and moving on, it's just some useful resources when comparing, I guess, macro environments. So this is the total market cap of all company assets of the top companies. There's around 6,000 companies, and the total market cap is around 84 trillion. Out of that, Bitcoin is number 14th ranked in the world. If you compare it to the currency market, it's actually a much bigger market. So if you grab that total fiat market cap valued in Bitcoin, I know that Bitcoin doesn't have that much supply, but just for the sake of it, if you put that number into the conversion, they'll get you this number here, 120 trillion. So the currency market of the top currencies relative to the top companies is around 50% bigger. So the DXY is a basket of currencies, of the top currencies in the world. And we can see that it is trending up. And in the short term, we can see that it is making a top here as it's on the top end of the alligator mouth. So once you see a weakness of the dollar index or the US dollar, that fiat would actually trend into, I guess, the stock market or collectibles or whatever market. So it is important to keep track of what's going on in the currency market, as it is the biggest moving giant there. But otherwise, that's it. You guys have a nice day. See you guys next time.